Hello friends, today I will make Rubik cube sticker. Very easy, so let's begin. Please like this video, please subscribe my channel. So let's begin. First of all, I will make a paper, computer paper. You can use others paper like yellow color, like red color, like blue color. And I make Rubik cube from paper, and I take sellotape and paste on Rubik cube. Please subscribe my channel and please like this video. So I paste sellotape on Rubik cube and cut the extra part. So friends, I paste the sellotape on Rubik cube sticker. It's very shiny, and I give double-sided tape and cut small piece and paste the back side of Rubik cube, so it look the real Rubik cube sticker. And I give clipboard and paste the Rubik cube sticker on the clipboard. Oh wow, it's very amazing sticker. So friends, I give my iPad cover and paste the Rubik cube sticker back side. Oh wow, it's very amazing sticker. So friends, subscribe my channel. Bye bye, take care.